What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to the dyno. We are out here doing things with our new CORSA setup. I'm excited, and I actually have not gone wide open in this car yet since the header install. Let's give it a shot. Oh my God. Oh, that was a fast speed limit. So we do have the CORSA 178 catless headers with their double helix X pipe and the active exhaust that comes factory on your 2018-19 Mustang GT. I think that as this video, I'm the only guy that has it, at least on YouTube anyway. And I can tell you that it is NASCAR. That's all I can say. But big review of that whole system coming up. We did the install. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll definitely link them above as always. And if you want discount codes on any of this stuff, check out the descriptions as always as well. But the car sounds fantastic. So we have the Palm Beach tune, okay, the GLT intake, and then we have the exhaust system. So we're going to take it to the dyno. We're going to go to the same one that we did last time, where we did 408 at about 6,500 RPM. So now we're shifting at about 78. It's definitely time that we go explore how much power all of this has made before we go E85, because we do want to tell that story. You know, this channel never ever quits. We just go, 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 and that is the way that it should be. So, all right, we're going to jump to it. We're going to skip forward. I got about an hour drive ahead of me, so I'll see you in a minute. We are here.
You have arrived at your destination on the left.
Fifth Gear Automotive in Nashville, Tennessee. Traffic, you were taking forever. I'm actually an hour early, but that's a good habit, right? Oh yeah, we can mix that. Yep. Steep hill. All right. All right, so Taylor is going to button up the car down here. Let me not step on him, but here we go. I'm excited. I think if we get anything north of 450 wheel, I think that we're going to be happy. But also let you guys know that because we hit 15,000 subscribers, thank you all so very, very much. I hope you do continue to subscribe, because we're going to do a giveaway. Like I was saying, we're going to do a giveaway. We haven't done one in a while, and I've cleared it with BMR. So what we're thinking we're going to do is like a $200 gift card. And we're going to keep it a gift card because that way you guys can get whatever you want. Some of you guys have been following me for a while, and you may actually have some of the suspension components that I already have. So like the 762 kit, the 010 kit, the 005 kit, all of it, their full list of catalog, but a $200 gift card coming your way. But there of course are rules. We're not going to overcomplicate things. Basically what you need to do is follow BMR Suspension on Instagram. And you also have to follow me, Xander13_official. And you must be an active subscriber on this channel. So if you are new to this channel, please drop it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and let's try to get this video 2,000 likes. I think it's definitely very possible. Big exciting things are coming your way very, very soon. The track is going to be opening up here in about a month or so. I'm excited. We're going to see what this thing will do this year. At least for the next 6 months, we're going to chase 10s in A. I think it's definitely possible. The last time we dynoed this vehicle, it made 408 wheel at about 6,400 RPM before we were hitting the factory limiters. So we don't have any of that now because we have the Palm Beach tune, and it's going to be shifting around 7,800 RPM. So we should see a lot higher numbers. Again, I'm crossing my fingers for anything north of 450. We'll find out here in just a second. All right, Taylor, what's it going to make?
459.
459?
I'm just, yeah, throwing a number out. Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. SAE correct. Yeah, all of that. Because people are going to dig this video apart, I'm sure.
Always. Yeah.
People freak out over dyno videos. But all SAE correct. So diadynamics. There we go. Alright, it's going to be loud. If it kills the audio, I am sorry. Can't help it. Ooh, they're rolling. Oh, they're rolling. Alright, that's just a test. Just getting everything started. Make sure everything looks good. Remember, your 7th gear is your 1-to-1 on the 10R80. Here we go, our first pull. Oh my God, my ears are like bleeding.
First pull was 449.
449.
They usually like to go up a little as you do a couple, so.
Yep.
Not the same there.
Yeah.
Let it cool off for a second.
Yeah, that's
Like the only thing on there that's yours is the top power number there.
okay.
Even
450?
not far off.
That's what I call a 450.
Yeah.
What's the torque?
412.
412? Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Yeah, they don't make a lot of torque anyway.
No, they never have.
Number 4. $455?
Pretty solid.
Same torque? Probably the same.
Probably.
455.
That's about right on par with what they make. 'Cause they make, 475, 480 on the 85. So
Yeah.
you're pretty much right there.
Yeah, the guys that get like 500 NA on the 85 with the same stuff are like, it doesn't happen all the time.
And they're usually manual cars too.
Manual cars, yeah, they will make more in manual. Remember guys, this is also the first tune that we haven't done any dynologuing with this tune. There's been no revisions, and all of that's going to be coming, so there could actually be a little bit more left on the table. I don't know, can you see any of that?
Yeah, I got a couple of full data logs.
You think there's more that could be, some revisions could?
There could be a little bit left. Probably nothing dramatic. A couple of horsepower.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all though.
What's up?
I said I'm good if you're good, man.
Yeah, I'm happy. 455. That's exactly what I was hoping it would make. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have blood dripping down this side of my face and my ears. All right, guys, there it is. 412 torque, 455 horsepower. Anything north of 450 is what I was happy with. And remember, on the same dyno when I had my 2018, it was a stick shift, same mods, and it did 463 and about the same torque, ground horsepower. So yeah, 455 compared to 463. The 10R80 does hold its own. Not a whole lot of parasitic loss there. That, or just it's just stronger tune. We do have a completely different. So the other one had a Lund tune, and we didn't have any revisions on that when we did the pulls. And then this has no revisions, and this is Palm Beach. But also remember that Taylor up here tunes these things as well. A lot of people come to him. It's a awesome shop here. They got lots of cool stuff going on. And if you are wanting a local tuner and you are in the Nashville, Tennessee area, you know, he can definitely take care of you. So that's going to wrap up this video. Again, if we get this video 2,000 thumbs up or thumbs down, I don't care if you liked it or not. But remember, we're going to do the giveaway. So we're going to give this video from the release about 2 weeks. You must subscribe to the channel. I would encourage you to turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss the actual giveaway when it does come up. And then you have to follow myself and BMR Suspension on Instagram, and that will get you into the drawing. And you must comment on the video as well. So I know it's kind of a lot, but it's really not. And then that way we can vet through everybody and then just make it fair. And we will do a random drawing at the end of it, and you guys will be able to see all of that. And then that will give the lucky winner a $200 BMR gift card. Remember, we're not going to do a specific part because you may actually already have that, but you can apply that $200 towards whatever you want from BMR. And then other than that, I will see you guys next time.